How to delete WhatsApp account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate, and on today's video I will guide you how you can delete your WhatsApp account. So without any further ado, let's dive into this video. First of all, launch your WhatsApp application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Now navigate to the top right corner. There is a three dot icon. Tap on it. From this pop-up menu box, tap on settings. Once you're on the settings, tap on the first option, account. That's gonna land you on your account piece. And there's an option as delete account, so tap on it. Once you're here, it says delete your account, confirm your country code and enter your phone number. So with your country code, enter your phone number that is linked with your WhatsApp account. Once done, tap on delete account and then your account will be deleted. That's it. That's how you can delete WhatsApp account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.